Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're opening up and testing out Hot Wheels color shifters. Our first color shifters model is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. On the back of the box, it shows the Lancer gets red hot in warm water and bright yellow in cold. The second color shifters model we're testing out is the Chrysler 300 Bling. This blingy Chrysler turns dark brown in warm water and orange in cold. Up next is one of my favorite color shifters, the Lamborghini Gallardo LP570-4. The Lamborghini turns bright white in warm water and red in cold. Here we have a muscular color shifters, the 2011 Dodge Charger RT. The Charger flexes yellow in warm water and turns red when it's cold. Our next color shifters is made for the water. It's the green Super Stinger. The Super Stinger Stingray turns green in warm water and black in cold. This color shifters model is the Purple Passion, but it's not quite purple yet. The model turns purple in warm water and turns blue when it's cold. And our final color-changing color shifters model for today is the yellow Baja Breaker. This off-roading vehicle is yellow in warm water and turns orange when it gets cold. There we have 7 different Hot Wheels color shifters models. They're really fun to play with, and I love the Lamborghini and the Mitsubishi. Let me know what your favorite color shifters vehicle is in the comments below, and thanks for watching.